Hello. I wanted to show you this picture in the hallway. Made me think last night. You see how it's ocean crashing on a shore, cliffs. And it made me think, I don't know if you can see it good, but just made me think about how we are supposed to have a little bit of wild in us. And I had made mention of that, like domination. And I think that like you cannot just eradicate the wild out of us, But wild doesn't necessarily mean barbaric. It just means like nature's wild. A creative kind of wild, Anyways, bless you.